Hello, my name's Lisa. Welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're going to talk about this verb, quit. Quit is an irregular verb. Quit, quit, quit. The pronunciation is the same and the spelling is the same. Quit, quit, quit. There is no change. Let's look at the pronunciation. Quit, qu, qu. Make sure your top teeth don't touch your bottom lip. Qu, quit, I. It's a short sound and the position of your voice is low. Quit, quit, quit. The letter T is a stop T. Quit. Make sure you don't say quit, but quit. Quit. Quit a job. When you leave a job permanently, you can say, I quit my job. She doesn't like her job. She wants to quit her job. Quit her job. Here, if you link the words, her is not an important word. We do not pronounce H, so we say Quit er. The letter T is between two vowels. We pronounce it as a fast D. Quitter. Quit her job. Quit her job. She wants to quit her job. Does she want to quit a job? Great job. He doesn't like his job. He wants to quit his job. Quit his job. His. It's not a stressed word. We do not pronounce H. Link the words. Quit his job. Quit his job. Quit his job. The letter T is between two vowels when you link the words, so we pronounce the letter T as a fast D. Quit his job. He wants to quit his job. He wants to quit his job. Does he want to quit his job? Great job. She wants to quit her job, and in the past, she quit her job. She didn't like her job. She quit her job. She left. She got a new job. Did she quit her job? Why did she quit her job? Did she get a new job? Great job. He quit his job. He didn't like his boss. His boss was mean. So he quit his job. He got a new job. Did he quit his job? When did he quit his job? Great job. When you stop doing something, you can say, I quit doing it. Always use a gerund after quit. Quit to do something is not correct. Quit doing something. I quit smoking. He quit smoking. Quit smoking. Always use a gerund. He used to smoke. He smoked for 10 years. But last year, he quit smoking. He doesn't smoke anymore. Did he quit smoking? When did he quit smoking? Great job. Quit eating something. Quit drinking something. Quit eating junk food. Quit drinking soda. She quit drinking soda. She quit eating junk food. Did she quit drinking soda? Did she quit eating junk food? Great job. I want to quit drinking soda. What do you want to quit doing? Great job. So remember, you can use quit when you are talking about leaving a job permanently. I quit my job. Or when you stop doing something permanently. I quit smoking. Thank you for watching, and if you want to learn English and improve your pronunciation, subscribe to our channel. Bye!